So I'll take this negative wire off. Ground off. Okay. I'm gonna double test it one more time. Yeah, I ain't getting shit out of that. Ain't nothing coming off of that. That thing right there will fry you if you got a hold of you. If there was power going through there, it would definitely. I'm gonna straighten these wires back up. Pull these back over to here for a minute. Push it over there for just a minute. I'm gonna take these bottom wires out. So the white one, here, the black one went there, and the negative stuck there. And this negative, the black one is a hot, and this white one is a negative, and this is a neutral. I think it's what they call it. This goes to the hot water heater. Needle nose in. Motherfucker is fucked up. The whole damn thing is burnt out. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut that one down a little bit. It's like toasted. Oh yeah, look at that motherfucker. And that one, oh yeah, this runs back to the hot water heater. So this is just a continuation of this wire. And this is just all this is a fuse in between it. So if something goes wrong with it. So I think it was drawing extra heat. I think the element went bad in it. So I'm just gonna, what it was the hot water heater. So I went to go drain the hot water heater, and I couldn't drain it. I couldn't drain the hot water heater because I went to go hit the pressure release valve, and the water wouldn't come out because there wasn't no pressure in there because there wasn't no hot water in there. But it don't matter if you had a hot water heater and it ain't got no, and the hot water heater goes bad and ain't no pressure in there. What the hell you gonna do if the hot water's out? How you gonna release the pressure out of there? They don't say nothing on the video about that on the YouTube video. I just noticed that on the video. They don't say nothing about that. When you look at a YouTube video and you hadn't did it before, and you hadn't really did it before, you know, yourself, I noticed that they didn't have that on there, and I hadn't really done it before, you know, by myself. I've helped somebody do it before, I think, sort of, fucked with one before, but I've not really done it myself. So I'm unloosening this so I can pull this wire. Oh yeah, now I can pull this loose. Now I can pull this through right here. Pull this wire through. Get this whole thing out. Keep this. Pull that out. Keep this piece right here because I'm putting this on a new box. Put that on a new box. I'm gonna unscrew the screw right here. Hopefully it just come right loose. I want to put this new box on here. That new box looks brand new. Even though I'd rather have a brand new fucking the new kind of damn. But I'm not quite sure how to do those new ones. But I like to do things myself. I bought this old ass house that if you know you got some money, maybe you should buy you a brand new house and you don't have to do no kind of work like this on your own shit, or you have to, you make a lot of money, you could pay somebody else to do this shit. And they might charge you, $200 or $300 to do this electrician work right here. But I don't really got no kind of money like that. Was that the screw that fell out? I don't know what the hell that was. But I'm just gonna do it my damn self instead of pay somebody to do it. Cause I don't got no money like that. Oh damn. And electrician work is shit expensive. Pay somebody to do that. They pay about $100 an hour or something. Or more. And they take their time to do it right. For sure. You want them to do it right any damn ways. You got a whole new box. New system put in though. Hopefully I don't kill myself though. Don't do no shit like this if you don't know how. Well, this right here will kill you. Put your ass in an electric chair right here. I heard people dying fucking with water heaters. Water heaters kill you. They got water in them. And this shit, I didn't even test it to see what was going on with this thing. I didn't even put the multimeter on there to see why the hell this motherfucker was getting extra fucking voltage going through it anyways to burn this thing out. Because this thing got burnt out. It's burnt out in there. Something overheated it. So it got too much electricity going through it. For some reason. Hammer for that. Damn. Taking the bottom of the box off. That's alright. Fuck it. We got a whole new system on here. Damn, paint don't want to let it go. Oh, I see what I got to do. See, I got to hold this because the whole damn thing is turning. I need to hit it like that, hold it like that, and still hit it like this. Well, this whole motherfucker is turning. Oh shit, don't let that motherfucker touch you. Don't want them wires to touch you, because if they touch you, them two wires touch you and they hot, they will fry your ass. It just touched me, but it didn't. It ain't hooked up. But you don't never want it to touch you because you want to always act like they hot. That's the thing about electricity. You always want to act like all these wires are hot. Always pretend like they're hot. They're always hot. Even if they ain't hot. Yeah, pretend like they always hot. But maybe they are hot. You don't ever know if they are. Oh, I see there's one on the bottom. Oh, there's one on the bottom right here. What the hell am I doing? Some WD right there. That'll probably get it off. Where'd WD go? There you go. Come on out, baby. Come on, Rose Bucket. Be careful, don't hit the wires when you do this, because if you scrape the wires, you can put a cut in the wire, and that'll burn the house down. You don't want to do that. All right, now I got the ring off. Now the box is slide down. Like that. Careful when you do that, because taking that old box off and sliding that new one on. New one, you gotta put a hole in it. Pop that new hole in there. I think that's big enough. Let me see. Put this back up. Put it back up there. It might be big enough.